Let's be real, just because an indicator has thousands of users on TradingView doesn't mean it actually works. RSI? Mid. MACD? Overhyped. Bollinger Bands? Don't even get me started. These tools were made decades ago, and while they were impressive then, markets have evolved. So today, we're going to break down why the most used indicators are actually holding you back, and show you smarter, modern tools you can use instead. Tools that are not only better, but free. I kept seeing the same thing on TradingView's top indicators page. RSI, MACD, moving averages, over and over again. These are the tools everyone starts with, and for good reason. They're simple. They're built into every platform, but that also means they're built into every losing trader's strategy. So I wanted to ask the real question. Are these indicators actually helping traders become profitable, or are they just popular because they've been around forever? In this video, we're going to challenge the status quo. I'm going to show you why these classic indicators are giving you late, inaccurate, or flat-out misleading signals, and what you should be using instead. And we're not talking about complex, expensive tools here. I'm going to show you free indicators that use advanced price action and smart money logic, so you can stop relying on lag and start reading the market the way institutions do. Let's start with RSI, the classic overbought, oversold tool. Sounds good in theory, right? If RSI goes above 70, you sell. If it drops below 30, you buy. But watch what happens on this chart. RSI goes over 70 and flashes overbought, but price keeps pumping another 5%. Then it finally drops after you've stopped out. Why? Because RSI doesn't care about context. It's just reading math, not the market. It's based on past candle closes. No structure, no volume, no liquidity. Same thing with MACD. Traders worship the crossover. When the MACD line crosses the signal line, you're supposed to enter. But guess what? That crossover usually happens after the move is already halfway done. It's lagging by design. And Bollinger Bands? They react to volatility, but they're not predictive. Price hits the upper band and you're thinking time to short. But all it's really doing is following the current direction. These indicators aren't bad. They're just outdated. They weren't built for how today's market actually moves. That's where the new generation of indicators comes in, built on concepts that institutions actually care about. Instead of guessing whether something is overbought based on a math formula, what if you could see real-time overbought and oversold signals based on market structure and liquidity conditions? Take the TPO indicator from SMRT Algo. It highlights price exhaustion as it's happening, not after. You get buy and sell signals when price hits key reversal zones based on actual volume, momentum, and market exhaustion, not based on candle closes from 14 bars ago. Or look at the Smart Money Toolkit, a premium tool on TradingView that shows you fair value gaps, order blocks, market structure, and other smart money concepts in real time. These are the actual concepts institutions use to decide whether to buy, sell, or stay out of the market, not whether a line crossed above or below 70. Here's the real kicker. Price doesn't move because RSI says so. It moves because of liquidity, because smart money is looking to fill large orders at optimal prices. They wait for price to sweep liquidity, tap into demand or supply, and then make the move. And that's exactly what tools like the Smart Money Toolkit show you. Instead of entering blindly on a crossover or a band touch, now you're seeing when price is likely to reverse based on liquidity grabs, whether a high or low is strong or weak. If the market is building a change of character, signaling a possible reversal, you're not guessing. You're reacting to real market activity. Now I know what you might be thinking. Sounds cool, but I'm not ready to pay for premium tools yet. Good news, you don't have to. SMRT Algo has also many free tools that you can use right away, like pivot points, which are great for spotting the real areas where the market is likely to turn. Multi-time frame breaker blocks, which literally dictate where the market is likely to go. Or daily single trade, which analyzes the market pre-open and then prints you a high probability setup. You just search it, click it, and start using it. No paywalls, no catches. But if I'm being honest, the premium tools are worth it. They offer much more than a simple indicator. They offer the edge most traders are struggling to reach after years of trading. They offer everything you need to trade successfully. And the best part is that you can go with a monthly plan that's relatively cheap. And if you change your mind, you can cancel the subscription anytime. Look, if you're still using RSI, MACD, and Bollinger Bands as the core of your strategy, you're trading with the same tools people used before the internet existed. You're entering late, exiting late, and missing the real setups entirely. It's time to evolve. If you want to trade the way the markets actually move, start using tools built around price action, volume, and momentum, not outdated math formulas. SMRT Algo gives you exactly that, and they're making many of their tools free, so you can test them risk-free and see the difference for yourself. Want to ditch the lag and start trading with real precision? Click the link in the description to access all tools from SMRT Algo. Trust me, once you see what smart money sees, you'll never go back to old school indicators again. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe, because we've got more no fluff, high performance strategies coming your way. Catch you in the next one.